People will ask us what's special about Hirscha Specialty Meats, and it's real simple. It's what we offer and what we don't offer. There are many different qualities of meat, just like there's qualities of any other product. At Hirscha's, we only carry prime grade, choice grade, 2 top grades available. We also carry a Texas-raised Wagyu, and we're soon starting the line of all natural meat. What we don't carry is the water and phosphate-added meats that you're going to find at most chain stores. We don't carry select grade or what's called a no-roll, standard, or utility. It's the quality of what we have that's going to separate us from anybody else in the marketplace. What's unique about Hirscha's is that we are a real meat market. We're talking about fabrication, manufacturing our own sausages here on the spot every single day. Our sausages are in great demand because it's just meat and seasoning. No fillers, no byproducts, nothing funny. We also have a great line of pork products. We carry a Swift 1855 pork line. These baby back ribs are going to be the meatiest you've ever seen. St. Louis ribs are the same. This meat is moist and tender. This is the prime of pork. Also, in addition to that, our natural poultry is a great hit with everybody. This is fresh, all natural poultry, comes in fresh daily, that people often tell us they're amazed at the difference between what they get here and packaged product. We also have a great seafood selection, as well as food and deli products, and an excellent line of cheeses to go along with your wine at the end of the day. We make a lot of ready-to-eat products or ready-to-prepare products in your home. Stuffed pork chops, stuffed chicken breast, fajita meat, all kinds of great things that are ready for you to take home and prepare. Well, we have over 20 varieties of smoking woods. You're not going to find that anywhere else in North Texas. Also, we've got a great line of our own seasonings, as well as John Henry's, Lysander's, and several others that you're not going to find in every grocery store. Okay, when it comes to customer service, everybody talks about what great customer service they have. We feel we have some of the best customer service you're going to find. Why? Because we have longtime employees that know our product, and they know what to ask you, because you don't always come in here and know exactly what you want.